So now we're going to go into the ATAS new update. And again, if you create an account and if you become a premium member, you can go into integration and you can look at the integration guide right here. You can download the indicator. You need to send us your ATAS email address. So you can click on request activation and send your email address that you use for ATAS. We will enable you, and then you can download the API key right here that you will need. But now let's go into the indicator. So here I have my ATAS platform, and I'm going to go into my indicator. I already set that up. So if you can follow the guide on where to download and put the indicator, you will find it here. Just simply search for MenthorQ levels. Once you send us the email, this will be enabled on your account. And then here I have the ability of doing exactly the same thing. So I can see my gamma levels, I can have my swing levels, I can also have my intraday gamma levels right there and intraday gamma scalping. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And you have your blind spot as well, so you can toggle that on and off, and then you can change the different levels and so on. So if you don't want to see one, you can untoggle, click on that, and then simply select the levels that you want to see. Let's choose gamma levels, and let's go over some of the updates. So the first things that first is available for you is the ability to enable alerts. So whenever the price reaches a level, you'll be able to receive an alert. If you don't want that, you can disable that, and you can also define the sound, the timeout in seconds, and so on. We've also added a nice feature that you can now shorten the level name. So for example, the core resistance will become CR, core resistance 0DT will become CR 0DT, and so on. And then you can also show the level price, of course. And now we've added the ability for you to customize also the settings. So here you can choose your text size, your color, your line, if you want a dash line or a dotted line, and the line width. And you can do that for all the levels. Here you would type your API key, and here you can show the timestamp and so on. Another thing that we've added, oops, sorry for that. Another thing that we've added that I think is very, very interesting is the ability to filter out levels. So let's say that you want to remove all the JAX levels. All you would do is just type JAX, and this will be removed from the chart. But let's say that you just want to remove JAX 5. You can just type in JAX 5, and let's say you want to remove also JAX 10, then you can type in that. And let's say that you want to remove the 1 day indicator, and you can just type the filter here. So now by having these filters, you can define which levels you want to plot on the chart and which levels you want to take out. So if, for example, I want to take out my core resistance, I can do that. If I want to take out my put support, I can also type in a filter, very, very easy, and you can do that as well. So now let's go into the conversion. We've added the converted levels right here, and the conversion settings is right. Have the ability to add the conversion. So you just click on the plus, you add the conversion, and then what we're going to do is we're going to convert, for example, and we're going to show it on yes. I'm just going to simply put a ratio of 1, and then what you need to do is simply come all the way up, toggle the update, and now you should see the levels right there. There you go. So now you see that we have our 1 day max, SPX, our JAX2, SPX, and so on. Going back in the indicator, I could also add another conversion, and I could say convert again what we did before, QQQ to NQ or SPX to Apple. Simply come here in the settings, and then simply type in QQQ. Let's use a ratio 41.25, and then let's go and toggle the update. And now if we go on our NQ chart, we now see our QQ levels right here.